Now let's start with some operations like append and collect. Now I comment these. I will work with our table without an header line. So I will use its work area to append the line into that internal table. So I will declare a variable here, and I press Ctrl D to copy my line. I will change this one to and its currency is, let's say, USD. Okay, now I filled my work area for our internal table, and now I append this work area into my internal table. Now I write all these statements again, and you will see a new line already created in our internal table. Let me show you. You see, now we have 4 different data lines in our internal table. Now we write all of them. Now if I append one more line, you will see 5 lines created. 2 of them are same. So append means you add a line at the bottom of your internal table. So also we can use collect. Collect means if there are 2 same lines including same data, they will just make a one line. But if you have numeric values, they will be added up. Let's change this append to a collect statement. Also we need to write here into. And now let me show you. LT payment here has 3 lines. Now we append one. You see, now we collect the other line. When I press F5, now I'm pressing it, just look at this code. You see, it doubled the currency value. It just collected them because they have the same document number, and the others are also the same because datum is empty, alt text is empty, and currency is USD. So they are all same. It just added up the DMBTR field, which is a currency field, a numeric field. And the result is 240 USD.